Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn troubled gardens around. So let's keep those gardens on track. Our question today comes from Susie. She lives in Zone 6. Her question is, my snow peas are blooming, but it's very cold outside. Will they produce pea pods without bees? Do I need to pollinate them with paintbrush? This is a really great question. Peas and beans are self-pollinating, and I do not need bees to make pods. I like to grow peas and beans in my greenhouses in the fall and spring because they will pollinate without any help, so they're a really good greenhouse crop. All right, if you have a garden question you would like answered, please click on the link below this video and submit your question. If you'd like to learn more about high-performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then go ahead and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in the show, we follow a high-performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. This is the best insider's look at watching everything that we do with the vegetable plants week after week all season long. And we'll even show you a professional trellising system for your garden. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. So go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up, or you can click on the link below. So please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information, and go ahead and submit your garden questions so you can get the answers that you need. So I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.